Hey guys, welcome to Homework Help for Week 4, Day 1. So we're going to start you off with solving an equation and showing your equation work in case you forget what I mean by that. So the equation work I want to see is the inverse operations to solve the equation 28 equals 7 times m. The opposite is division. So you divide both sides by 7. What I just wrote in yellow on both sides is the equation work I want to see. So that cancels. You get m equals 4 because 28 divided by 7 is 4. That's it. That's all the work you have to show for your equations. Now for the problem below with dimensional analysis. The first thing I'm going to point out is that I have a typo on mine, but I fixed it on yours. See where it says 1 foot is 3 yards? That's actually backwards. That on your paper it should be okay. It should be 1 yard is 3 feet. All right, so anyway, let me continue with the problem here. So we want to use dimensional analysis to find out how many feet are in 2 2/3 yards. So remember the steps. To change a unit, in number, an amount, in this case 2 2/3, we have to first write it as a fraction over here. Right now it's a mixed number, so we're going to do 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, 8/3. So that means the first fraction is 8/3. Now also I want to point out that notice it's 2 2/3 yards. You must write that up top, not at bottom of your first fraction. Because when you get your second fraction, you want them to be diagonal. So you want yards on the bottom so that it's diagonal from the yards on top. Now, your second fraction is going to be this conversion. 1 yard is 3 feet. So remember we have these yards diagonal. That means the 1 yard goes down on bottom and the 3 feet goes on top. That's how you know the order of your second fraction. All right, and then we solve. I'm going to do a little bit of bow tie reducing. I see the 3's go into each other and become 1's. And the yards cancel out because they're diagonal from each other. And then I solve. 8 times 1 is 8. 1 over 1 is 1. And we all know 8 over 1 is 8. And my unit is feet because I didn't cancel that out. So 8 feet is my answer. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that helped. And if you have any other questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks.